You've got a steady paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, and that's totally cool. But deep down, you know, you've always wanted more. More money, more freedom, more flexibility. And so you decide that it's finally time to increase your current income. One of the best ways to earn more with a little effort is to build a passive income stream. And today, let's talk about 11 ideas of how to generate passive income streams while keeping your full-time gig, so you can finally make more than you ever dreamed of. But first of all, what's the passive income? Passive income refers to income that doesn't need a significant commitment of time or money. Although most of passive income ideas require some initial time, money and resources, they should require only minimal monitoring on an ongoing basis. There are three main types of passive income streams. First, investing. When you generate a return from investing your money in saving accounts or the stock market. Second, passive income stream or asset sharing, which is selling or renting out the assets you own, such as your house or car. Passive income stream number 3, and asset building. Examples could include adding revenue generating affiliate links to your blog or website, or selling resources such as e-books, educational content, music or photos online. For the first one, I'm totally not there yet. All the stock markets, buying and selling stocks, it looks way too smart and complicated for me just yet. But I started researching this subject, and as soon as I start investing myself, I will definitely share my experience on this channel. Maybe I will even create a playlist like Total Blonde and the stock market. What do you think about this idea, my friends? By the way, do you invest in any stocks yourself? Second one, and I'm also not quite there yet. I moved to England at the age of 15, then I moved back to Norway, and after that I moved back to London only in September this year. I'm certainly not ready to buy and rent out houses. Maybe later, I will let you know. But the third one, and now we are talking, asset building, and this is exactly what this video is about. As some of those assets I'm already building, and some other assets I'm thinking about building quite soon. Let's begin. Our passive income number 1, and start your dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources. With dropshipping, you can find most trending products on marketplaces like AliExpress to sell it to the customers all around the globe. You can fill your online store with different items from various dropshipping niches, such as fashion, home decor, or beauty. The magic of dropshipping that you actually build your own business, and only you can decide how much you're gonna charge for your products. In fact, from all passive income ideas from this video, dropshipping is the one where you have the most control over your margins. For your knowledge, the closest alternative of a dropshipping store, but with a lot more input into product selection and quality control. Buy wholesale products to sell them in your store. Using a wholesale marketplace, you can always connect with your locally based suppliers, purchase their products at wholesale prices, and sell them onto your audience. You can even combine this option with dropshipping by finding wholesalers who are willing to send their products directly to your customers. Number 2, and let's build and monetize our blog. Another popular passive income stream is originated from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, etc. It indeed can take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate your audience through organic or social traffic and building email lists. The biggest perk of having a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different income streams. So, if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be a perfect option for you. Number 3, and create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in some subject or field, selling online courses might be a fantastic passive income idea for you. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you will find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. Of course, things are much easier if you are selling on platforms like Udemy, but your course might be heavily discounted during certain periods, and this will affect how much passive income you earn. In contrast, selling from your own website gives you a whole control over pricing, meaning you don't need to sacrifice your margin just because others are selling in a discounted price. Number 4, and publishing Instagram sponsored posts. If you have followers on Instagram, you might want to try your hand on creating sponsored content. Instagram sponsored posts are content pieces that endorse certain services or products usually owned by the sponsoring party. Sponsors compensate publishers for creating and distributing content that promotes their business. The secret to getting sponsored is to get more Instagram followers. You will always want to be super consistent with the type of content you post, so your potential sponsors will know what to expect. And be sure to focus on just one niche. Brands prefer creators who can publish a quality content around the same subject. When it comes to your Instagram bio, be sure to add your email address. As your account grows, you will be able to hire a virtual assistant to create those sponsored posts on your behalf. The more sponsored post requests you get, the more passive income you will be able to generate. Very simple logic. Number 5, and create print-on-demand store. With e-commerce being one of the most popular ways to make passive income online, it only makes sense to give a shout out to print-on-demand. Print-on-demand allows you to sell your own custom graphics like t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags and many more. And the best thing about it is that you can actually build your own branded products. The only downside is that you actually need to be savvy on graphic design because the margins are often too thin to outsource the designers affordably. However, if you really create that winning, unique design, your sales will take off. Plus, it's not a super competitive business, since other brands are super unlikely to sell the same design. But you have to be really creative, close to crazy creative, to attract the customers to your own branded products. As in general, the competition is insane within the fashion market, that even huge old brands are suffering to make profit sometimes. Number 6, and my favorite one, create an app. By now, you've probably noticed the trend. Creating stuff tends to lead to passive income. This is even more true in the world of mobile software. If you're a developer or a programmer, you might want to try creating apps as your passive income stream. You can go about it in 2 ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize it with advertising. And here we really need to talk, guys, as I have an idea for my app. Quite a few, actually. I'm a decent content creator. I love making videos for YouTube. But I understand nothing about IT and how to build those apps. So if you know how to do it, if you can build an app for me, please drop me an email right now. I will be happy to pay for your services. Number 7, and rent your spare room. Well, if you're like me and can't really buy houses and rent them out, maybe you have a spare room in your house or in your apartment. Lucky you, and I have an excellent source of passive income for you. If you have an extra room in your apartment, you can rent it to someone for a specific duration. Platforms like Airbnb will connect you with the right people who are looking for their next getaway. Airbnbs are usually preferred as they tend to be much cheaper than the hotels, especially when you travel in a group, meaning you can have a higher passive income. By listing your free space on Airbnb, it's worth nothing than becoming an Airbnb host. Requires work up front. You might have to renovate or refurbish your room before listing it. To make it truly passive, you can even hire a part-time property manager to create listings and look after your properties. Keep in mind though that they will charge a monthly fee between 8 and 10% on the monthly rent collected. Number 8, and sell your photography. While being a photographer might seem like an active income business, it's actually not. Photographers not only make money from taking the photographs, they sell them too. Stock image website, magazines, and canvas printing for your clients are some of the ways you can make a big bucks in a photography space. All you need to get started is a good camera, but these days you can even use your smartphone to capture those amazing images. Consider taking high-quality photos and listing them on stock photography websites to earn income in the form of royalties. Quick advice: always clean your camera before taking pictures with your phone. You will be shocked how better your pictures will instantly become. Number 9, and become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income opportunities available these days. As an upside to it is that almost every big brand has their affiliate program. So you can sell some very popular products and make your passive income on it. The downside is that you only make your commission on an actual sale. Spotify's affiliate program, for example, allows you to earn up to $58 per referral, which is quite a decent income. Other online companies might give you something little like $5–10 per referral as a referral bonus. So you will want to make sure that you do some deep research into the best affiliate marketing programs before you get started. Blogging tends to be the most cost-effective way to make recurring affiliate commissions without having to spend money on ads. Number 10 and my super fav. Start your YouTube channel. YouTube is the passive income stream that just keeps giving. From sponsored videos to ad revenue, you will find very soon that you can make a decent income from your YouTube channel. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is creating your content on a consistent basis for a long time. Make sure that every video you upload is well made and something people really want. If you stick with this for a long time, you will eventually start reaping passive income rewards. Do you already have your YouTube channel? Perfect. Are you monetized yet? If you need any advice on how to monetize your YouTube channel or how to increase profit from it, let me know in the comment section down below or just send me an email. Well, I'll try my best to help you. Number 11 and my most favorite one and also one of my major targets for 2023. Create and sell your digital products. Digital products are media assets that people cannot touch physically. They typically include downloadable files such as audiobooks, PDF templates, and plugins. Digital products tend to have high profit margins because no inventory or storage costs are required. You only have to make this asset once and then you can sell it repeatedly. And most importantly, there is no limit to a number of copies you can sell. What do you think, my friends? Do you already have your passive income stream or you're planning to have one in 2023? Please share it in the comments down below. What passive income stream is your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye for now.